That's actually very, very simple to do if you have set up your business properly. So let's just talk firstly about setting your business up properly. What that means is, what we always talk about in AOE is getting your ducks in a row. So the purpose behind ducks in a row is that the business is not about you. You are not the person that is associated with the business as far as Amazon's concerned. That's the bigger picture of why we do ducks in a row. So when you set up on Amazon, then you set up in your company name, Fluffy Toys, Pty Ltd. You have your email address set up, info@fluffytoys.com.au. You have your bank account set up as a business account with Bank West, for instance, which is who I bank with, Fluffy Toys Pty Ltd. Everything's set up and centered around a virtual office. Mine's in Gordon. So all of your bank statements go to your Gordon address. Your Amazon Seller Central account goes to your Gordon address. On ASIC, if you look at ASIC's registrar, that's at your Gordon address. Everything is set up properly, okay? And if you've done that, then selling your business is actually a piece of piss, because Amazon does not allow you to transfer the ownership of a Seller Central account from one person to another. Amazon does not allow that. So the only way that you can sell your business is by selling your company instead. And that's what you should do when you sell any business, is you actually sell your company. And the company, of course, owns all the intellectual property that your business has created. So your trademark, your images for your Amazon account, all of that stuff is owned by your company, not by you. And effectively, all you're going to do is you can either transfer the ownership of the Pty Ltd assets from one entity to another, or even easier, you sell the shares in your company. Now, there's a couple of things about selling shares in company. Some people may be a little reticent to do that without having some kind of warranties being made about the company and that it's unencumbered and crap like that, but that's all easy enough to put into a contract that warrants all that kind of stuff. But it's as simple as that. You sell the shares in your company so that a new person, in effect, controls the existing company, and thus controls your Amazon account. That's how you do it, Elaine. It's super easy to do, super easy to do, and it's just done by setting up things properly from the get-go, which is why we go on and on and on about that. Not only will it make running your business easier and getting things set up easier, however, it will also make it easier to sell. And yes, as I said, liabilities, but that's what warranties are for in contracts and stuff like that. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it,
odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.